What's up, Tengu 230, one half of Meli, Playful, and Tengu. Welcome back to Ghostwire Tokyo. Thanks to all our subs, our members, everyone who is currently here. And we are at the next part. And we need to escape. Uh-oh. Wait. I know KK's not here, but it's like, I guess because KK's not here, I can't press X or the square button technically to figure out where I'm supposed to be going. So that's not good. So we have 3 enemies here. I see some Mecha on the left. You're skipping to my loo. I think you're standing still, so I can use this. Oh, darn it! I had you. Okay. I should have aimed for the one that didn't have a head because they're taken down in like 1 hit. Okay, just stand still. Oh boy, I missed. A little higher. And you moved! Stop skipping around. There we go. God, I just keep missing. Okay, there we go. Gosh. That's like so many arrows that I... Oh, there's some arrows right there. Okay, I'm good, I'm good. They honestly don't really care about getting hit themselves. Or, I mean, I should say the other ones getting hit. They're not alerted. Nice. Headshot, baby. What is going on? I'm gonna take that ladder because it's so tall. It seems like it's the only way up and out of here. What? What the heck? How did it, that just randomly showed up? Wait, huh? Her enemies are... Oh! Did I just not notice that guy? Okay. Let's pick up these arrows first. Oh, that's not an updraft talisman. Oh, these are the arrows. How did I not notice you initially? Okay. Alright, so this is straight stealth. I think I do remember reading at some point that KK's not with you in the game. I just didn't even realize. I didn't realize it was just gonna happen. Uh-oh, moved. This makes it like a whole different game. Not having powers just in case you mess up on your stealth. I like it though. What's that? Graphical glitch? I'm maxed out. Uh-oh, I hear my cat. Also, am I even able to destroy these then? Because I can't focus on the cores of them, so I have to come back down here later. Wait, do I really have to go that way? Can I just go up this way? I'm just gonna go up this way. I don't care what all the ladder is. It's not as tall as the ladder in Snake Eater. Is this even the surface? Oh, it's just more arrows. Okay. Where's my flashlight that barely works? Okay, maxed out. I wonder if there's a way to get over there from here. I see. Hopefully the catwalks will lead me over there as well. Something's here. Okay, we're good. Open door? Nope. I'm taking it slow. You never know when there's an enemy that I just don't see out of nowhere. Who's actually been right in front of me this whole time. I mean, that's a possibility. It might happen. Okay, so it's telling me, yep. I've got closer. It's telling me to go here. There's probably some enemies below me and I don't even see them. Oh man, look at that. I want to get that. I don't want to get the money, but I just want to get out of here. I'm wondering if this will lead me back to the same way. Or back to where I need, or over where I need to go. Oh, there is an enemy there. Oh, okay, so they have umbrella lady and then they have a regular lady there. Should I just turn off the lights? Hello? Okay, that's where we were before. That's where all the people were like, I think where all the people were like floating up. Okay. Hold on. I just want to check out down here real quick. See whoever's left. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back down here. Okay. How am I gonna get KK back? Okay. Do I need to take the spirally place? I'm just gonna say yes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is this extra stuff that they want me to... Is that Scissor Lady? I'm good. I cannot fight... Actually, I haven't tried if I can hit Scissor Lady in the head with arrows. Is that a one-shot kill? The other ones have been so far, but then... She is, she's pretty strong. Or I need to go down to get up? Oh gosh, why so loud? Can I close it? Oh! Jesus, what the heck? That freaked me out. Okay, cool. You have cool, awesome graffiti. I'm gonna watch into the Across the Spider-Verse at some point. This is probably the best place to do all the weird and crazy, like spooky stuff. Turn off the lights, please. Where are you? Where are you? Uh-oh, I missed. Wait, 2 hits? It's probably 2 hits because I didn't...
They're still on me.
Surprise you.
Gotta shake them off.
What do you mean? I just want to leave, man. I feel vulnerable without KK. Also, my cat is meowing, wanting to get in. It's always that timing. I'm just gonna use my arrows. So screw it. Okay, you're gone. I get you, Fiber. I know you want to come inside. Just give me a sec. Nothing's gonna come out of the water, is it? Gosh, you see the number gets smaller and then it's like, oh, you gotta go this way. And then it, I like how they're filling me up with arrows, though. Oh gosh. Don't move. Don't move. I know, Fiber. I know.
Yes.
I like it. Makito uses the talismans. For some reason, When I was playing again, I was thinking his name was Kirito. But that's from an anime. Okay. Alright, just checking out over here. Any spooky stuff? Spooky, spooky? Oh gosh. Please, I don't want to look down. Something might drag my... Or, oh cool. Loading. Like my feet. Somebody was gonna grab my feet.
Oh, I'm finally out of there. His apartment was north of here.
Here, okay. We're good. The payphone's right here. Can you even... Huh. Oh, you only... I was wondering if you can do side missions without KK, but you cannot at all. I was curious. Come on. Go away, you little girls. I just wanted to use my phone. I want to get some experience. Better not stop me. Okay. Ugh. Yes. I was like halfway through the XP bar. Hopefully it'll level me up. Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna have to stay ducked the whole time. Crouch move. Pause. I'm gonna save here just in case. Because you never know. And if there's a quick save button, I don't know. It's probably F5. I'm using the controller, so. I mean, it's probably not too hard to reach over and press F5 on the keyboard. Just don't feel like it. Simple as that. I don't mind putting hard saves here and every now and then. Eh? Oh, we got some over there. Hey! Hey, hey! No invisible people. Oh, freak. Really? I don't even know why I'm not noticing them. They're right in front. I don't know why they're not noticing me, really. I'm kind of close to them. That asshole was cheating on me. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Yeah, it's different without KK, because you can just walk up and if you mess up, you can just use your powers. Now it's like I have to skulk through here. I mean, at least we have the ability to exorcise the spirits. Okay, we're here. Cool. Oh, I just want to get out of here. I'm still gonna crouch walk going up the stairs. There we go. Oh gosh. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot to use that face.
What the hell? Who are you? You are in the picture.
You and that grumpy old man. Sure seem to have hit it off, huh? So, you want to do some rescuing? Sure you're up to it? With a toy like that? You need his power. Right?
Yeah. But I don't know where they took him.
So, you haven't realized it yet then? Your connection to him. It's still there, you know.
What?
This... Give this to him for me. It's important.
Is this? What the?
Hey, what's happening? Head outside. What are you? Pick up. Rinko, that's right, her name's Rinko. I prepared something even you should be able to use. It's pretty much all I can do for you right now. You're just gonna have to figure things out. Okay. Thicket Talismans. Thicket Talismans summon shrubs that obstruct a visitor's line of sight when thrown. These bushes make for a perfect hiding place to sneak around undetected. Wow. There's a whole other, like, essentially game mode when KK's not with you. It's full-on stealth. I dig it. Rinko, that's right. Just forgot her name. I'm glad they said it. I don't know what happened there though. It's like an alternate universe where she showed up and talked to us.
Is this what she meant by us being connected? This is nuts.
It is nuts. Follow KK's trail. So is Rinko gonna lead us to KK? Okay, so I'm assuming that's the thicket one? Okay, now... Okay. Now I have to remember which mode I'm in before I activate it, but this is... I'm digging this. This is cool. This is a nice change of pace, actually. But anyway, we'll end this episode of Ghostwire Tokyo here. So if y'all made it this far, thanks for watching. And as always, take care and Tengu 230 out. Alright, Charles. Game on, everybody, and please, keep smiling.